Do you need a bat survey? When you open the loft hatch, are bats smiling down at you? If no, is there significant or recent evidence of bat occupation? Examples of this include bat droppings, prey remains and dead bat carcasses. No signs of life? Even if bats or evidence of bat activity are not present, could the habitat value of the site be significant? Prime examples of this include cracks and gaps in brickwork, lifted or missing damaged tiles, gaps in weatherboarding, hanging tiles and so on. If this is the case, after considering the development scheme, could the roosting habitat be affected? If yes, you will need a bat emergence survey. These are carried out between May and September. Bats favour cracks and gaps in walls, poorly fitted or missing windows, missing or torn roof lining and missing or hanging roof tiles. If your development doesn't have any telltale evidence of bats, then congratulations, there is no significant risk of bats as a consequence of your development. To find out more, visit arbtech.co.uk for more information.